Welcome back to my channel. It's Naya Fee, and I'm here with another video on how I style my faux locks. Typically what I do with my faux locks is I wear it just like how you see it right now. I have it kind of flipped to the side, and there's like a part here that I use to kind of guide this deep side part so that I can wear my hair to one side. I usually just like to wear it out, especially since I've only had it in for a week. I just like to let my hair relax. Don't pull on it, just leave it the way that it is. Once I've worn it for a little bit, I start doing half up, half down, ponytail styles, and all those types of things that generally people do with their faux locks. One thing that I do keep in mind is that when I am wearing updos, I do not pull that much on my hair, because when you start pulling on your hair too much, it'll start ripping out your edges, and you want to make sure all your edges are intact so that you don't look crazy when you want to wear your hair up. Now that I usually wear is just having it out just like this to the side. You can kind of use your parts to guide which side you want to wear it on. You can take these two, like when I first did it, they were supposed to be down like this, like if you want something more like this, but I've been wearing it up. I mean, not up, but I've been wearing it to the side like this. I even have a middle part that I could do if I really wanted to wear a middle part. I could put a scarf on and, you know, retrain my hair to lay down and with it on each side. You know, some people like to wear middle parts, but I've been wearing it flipped over, so my hair is kind of used to being flipped to one side. The second look that I'm going to do is a half up, half down style that I really love to wear. I usually take the first two pieces across the front, and that is how I decide how much stays down in the back and how much I'm going to put up in the front. So I take those, and then I take my scrunchie that I have here, and I like to use this scrunchie because it's really soft, and I just tie it on twice. I don't know. Tie it on twice and wear it with a half up, half down. You can put it to the side if you want to. If you want to do like something like that, it makes you look kind of like Chanel a little bit, but you can wear it to the side. You can tighten it and wear it, you know, straight to the back. Even take the end of your ponytail and twist it, and then wrap it around. Wrap it around, and I like to secure it with what I already have here. Wrap it around and wear a bun with it. And then if you get sick of the bun, you can go back to the middle part. I really look like Shanae like this, like. So this is how you can wear it. I will take pieces in the front like this, and I'll take this side and I'll tie it in the back. This is so I don't have to use a hair tie, and just so my hair stays out the way, like out my face if I want it like this. And you just tie it in the back. It's nice and loose and it stays out of your face. You could also use a hair tie and do it that way. You know, put the hair tie in and then, you know, leave it like that. I'm not going to show the ponytail at the top just because this is a lot of hair and it's really long, and I don't wear my hair like that often. So I'm not going to show me putting all my hair into one ponytail, but I do a lot of different styles with a half up, half down. I also like to take some pieces out in the front, and then that way I can do some type of half up, half down like that. And I'll put the hair tie in just to show you. And so I would have like some hair like this, and then I would have, you know, ponytail and hair hanging down. And you can either wear like this. You could also do a bun with this look as well. Twisting, twisting, twisting. Just make sure that it's secure when you're wearing these styles, because you don't want to be walking, you know, down the street and you just fall out your head. So just secure them. But this is like another look I'll wear with my faux locks sometimes. Besides showing some quick hairstyles that you can do with the faux locks, I also wanted to provide some 1 week updates as to this Bobbi Boss New Locs hair. The things that I've been experiencing while I'm wearing the hair, and kind of what to expect when you have the hair in your head. So one thing that I have noticed about this hair is that it gets stuck to everything. So Velcro, you know, your earrings, you have to be very strategic about what earrings you have on, because the hair gets caught on everything. And I don't want to discourage you from wearing the hair, but it does get caught on things, and I have to kind of detach myself from whatever it got stuck to. Another thing that happens while you wear the hair is that it creates these little balls. This one doesn't really have any. There's like these little balls that form, and I don't know what that is or why it does that, but there's little balls that form on the hair, and I will cut them off. You know, I style my own hair and do my own hair, so I do go through and trim off some of the little balls that I see. But if you are not used to doing those kind of things to your own head, that could be something to think about if you're trying to do this style. Another thing is that it does, besides the clumps, it'll frizz up a little, and then you'll see little strings that kind of attach the hair together. Like there's a string right here hanging across. Of that, I do try to run my fingers through the hair to get rid of those tangles, or I will just take some scissors and cut them out. That's another thing about the Bobbi Boss New Locs. I don't know if that is strictly for this hair. You know, I've had other faux lock hair that didn't really do that, but that's one thing I've noticed over wearing it over the course of this week. Try and put the mousse in your hair, not every night, but at least wrap it every night so that you don't have any issues, too many issues with the tangling, or too many issues with little balls forming. I think that me putting the mousse in and me actually wrapping my hair at night and putting mousse in it helps prevent any tangles and any balls of hair that I'm gonna see on the faux locks. They will still get there just from, you know, getting caught on stuff and from, you know, just regular wear. But wrapping it at night, putting mousse in it, and actually, you know, protecting the hair, even though it's not yours, protecting it at night from, you know, getting frizzy will help maintain the faux locks a little longer. I do anticipate that I may only leave these in for another 2 weeks, but you know, that's just something to keep on your mind as you wear them, for those of you who like to wear protective styles for a long time. There is maintenance when it comes to wearing faux locks. Do not think that just because you have faux locks in your hair, oh, I can leave my hair alone, it's going to do whatever. No. You still have to wrap your hair at night. You still have to moisturize your scalp. You still have to maybe even do like little trims, little cuts on the hair, just like I said I do, to maintain the hairstyle. Although you're not specifically styling your hair every day, you still have to do little things to maintain it so that it looks nice and you're not going out looking crazy. So I'm going to show a quick clip of me wrapping my hair at night. Usually how I wrap my hair at night is I first put on a scarf, just a regular scarf, and I tie it in the back to make sure it's secure, and it kind of forms like a ponytail in the back with the faux locks. And then after I have them all in the the scarf in the back, my bonnet, and I just put the bonnet actually on my head, and I tuck all the hair in the back. Ooh. I tuck all the hair in the back like this. And that is how I wrap it at night. And it is very secure. It's, you know, in there. And it stays on all night so that my hair is not in my face or doing all that extra stuff. Those are the hairstyles, and those are some of the updates from me wearing this hair over the course of the week. If you have any further questions about this hairstyle or any questions about the hair that I have in my head, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video.